Hi all. Well, I'm your GM, Hikari Chance, pronouns she, her.
Hello.
I literally went over the order.
I mean, Paulson was doing it.
We should have
5 seconds off there.
Hi everyone, welcome to My Hero Makuste Academy. This is session 1. Paulson introduce yourself.
I'm going.
We're keeping this in.
Yeah, let's restart, and this time we'll write down our order.
The order, it's me, then it goes from the left of the table to the right. It's not that hard.
I'm keeping this in. This is my act of defiance
Frozen,
for the week.
introduce yourself.